Alert disappears before script can switch to it using Selenium plus Python plus Chrome. I'm writing a Python 3.6.6 script that uses Selenium 3.141.0 to open a URL in Chrome, ChromeDriver version 77.0.3865.40, navigate a series of menus, enter login details into a pop-up and login. Here's my script. If I perform this navigation manually, I get a prompt asking for a username and password, with 2 buttons to sign in or cancel. When Selenium does it, I see the prompt flash up, but then quickly disappear, so I get the error. If I refresh the still open browser manually, I can get the alert to appear, but if I script to refresh, the prompt once again vanishes. I've tried putting a wait in for an alert to appear, as described, and check if any alert exists using Selenium with Python, but the wait just times out. If I check the source code of the page that is left open once the alert has disappeared, I see this. So I tried explicitly enabling JavaScript with. This seems similar to Selenium test, Firefox alert disappearing immediately, but it looks like I can't recreate the solution using Chrome. I tried the following, but that made no difference either. Is there another way to prevent Selenium/Chrome from automatically closing the alert? Here's a screenshot of the pop-up. I have tried adding the following to the end of my script. But this doesn't help. The login URL looks like this. This URL.
I have done a similar project for my firm. What you will have to do is browse to that URL using UI automation, libpyautogi, then input the username and password. After that you are free to do anything using Selenium. Your code won't go beyond driver.get URL, it will be forever stuck there.
If the prompt you get is browser login, then you can try setting the username and password like this. As described in this post, Selenium Python authenticating browser login pop-up dialog at a HTTPS website. But this is not an alert, and that's why you can't handle it with driver.switch underscore to .alert, and you get the exception.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.